Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy the crypto with your Google Play balance. So a lot of people are asking this question, like they have Google Play balance and they want to buy crypto with it, like they have Google Play balance or gift cards or whatever they have, and they just want to buy the crypto. So how they can do it? So the simple process is like there is no direct way that you can buy crypto with your Google Play balance, but you can buy it through attaching like any exchanging platform, let's say Binance or Bybit or any other application. So you can use those platforms to buy the crypto with the Google Play balance. So what you need to do is just go to those platforms and from there choose your payment method, Google Play balance. And once you choose your payment method, Google Play balance, after that you will be able to buy the crypto with your Google Play balance on those exchanging platforms, either it is a Binance or Bybit or any other platform. So once you buy the crypto on the platform, it will be added to your like Binance account or Bybit account, and you can utilize your Google Play balance in that simple way. So there's no currently direct way that you can buy the crypto with Google Play balance. So do not waste your time finding other methods which are not working. So make sure to choose this method and you will be able to do it.